Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome to my channel. Do you share everything to your friends? If yes, wait. Before you tell something about you to your friends or somebody who is closer to you, watch this video. Because in this video I'm gonna tell you guys why you should not share everything about you to your friends or the people around you. I am not going to talk about your family members. It's about those other peoples who you are attached with. They could be your friend, girlfriend or boyfriend, even your roommate. I'm gonna ask you, do you think your best friend, boyfriend or a girlfriend or a roommate will stay with you in your whole life? Everybody has a real problem and weak point in their life. So do I, and you too. So just ask yourself how long those people who you are close with now gonna stay in your life before you tell everything about you to them. Life of a person can never be the same every time. There will be up and down in anyone's life, and we cannot stay with our families over a lifetime. We have to leave our family for study, for work and so many other reasons. At this point of time, you may need a really good friend in your life. You do have lots of friends and other people in your life, right? But do you remember any one of them helped you, were in your side and encouraged you in the most difficult time or the situation you need? Hey guys, I don't mean to say that you should not share anything to any one of your friends. Of course you can. You can share them other things, what's going on in your life, but not the internal points. Why I am telling this is, if you tell your real problem or a weak point to your friends, a real friend can trust you more, understand you and help you in a situation you need. But what about other friends or the fake friends? They will catch your weak point. They can take advantage from you. They will torture you and can humiliate you with your own problems. They can make you go depressed, and finally you will be betrayed by your own friends. You will be alone and more bad things can happen. Before bad things happen in your life, it's the time to analyze your friends. It's the time to filter those friends. Make less friends but make good friends. As there is saying, a friend in need is friend indeed. A friend play important role in anyone's life, and only a good friend can take you a better path. They will help you, they will inspire you, they will encourage you in the time whenever you need them. You need to be a good first. Always be good to your friend and they will be good to you. So guys, share this message to all of your friends so that they can learn to be a good to your real friends and aware of fake friends. See you in next video.